Hi, I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Speed Screed. So just how do you get a quotation? You can contact us in a number of ways. You can call us and we can take the information over the telephone. You can use chat, online chat, and again we can take the information and produce a quote from that information. Alternatively, you can complete our contact form and we will come back to you, or the request a call back and we will come back to you and give you a call. Or alternatively, we have an online form where you can complete all the relevant details, and again we'll get back to you with a quotation. So the reason why we need as much information as possible is to give you the most accurate quotation that will meet your individual needs. So the systems that we provide need to match your characteristics of the project. We need to make sure that the screed's going to dry when you want it to dry, that it's going to be able to be trafficked when you need it to be trafficked, that it's thick enough for your particular application, that it performs thermally, efficiently. These are all things that we need to ensure is within your screeding system. So please, you can contact us through the website, give us a call, and we'd love to hear from you.